Squats are a compound exercise that engages multiple muscle groups, including the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even the core. They help improve strength, flexibility, and stability, making them a perfect addition to your daily routine. Have you ever wondered what would happen to your body if you committed to doing 30 squats every day? Well, you're about to find out. In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of doing 30 squats daily and how it can transform your body. Watch the video until the end, it'll be interesting. But before we get started, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel to receive more health and fitness updates regularly. Now, let's begin. Before we delve into the benefits, let's quickly go over what squats are, and how to perform them correctly. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, keeping your chest up and shoulders back. Lower your hips back and down as if sitting on an imaginary chair. Ensure your knees track over your toes, lowering until your thighs are parallel to the ground or slightly below. Press through your heels to return to the starting position. Always remember to engage your core, keep your back straight, and perform the movement with control. Benefits of doing 30 squats every day. Number 1. Better lower body strength. Doing 30 squats daily significantly enhances your lower body strength, making everyday activities easier and reducing injury risk. Number 2. Glute development. For those looking to tone and firm up their glutes, squats are a secret weapon, targeting and strengthening those muscles. Number 3. Core engagement. Squats engage not just the lower body but also the core muscles, leading to better overall core strength. Number 4. Increased flexibility. Regular squats can improve flexibility by requiring a good range of motion in the hips, knees, and ankles. Number 5. Calorie burning and weight management. Squats as part of a balanced fitness routine can aid in weight loss by activating large muscle groups, leading to higher calorie expenditure. Number 6. Improves posture. Squats promote better posture by strengthening the back, shoulders, and core, helping you stand taller and more confidently. Number 7. Enhanced blood circulation. Involving large muscles, squats promote better blood circulation, delivering more oxygen to organs and muscles. Safety precautions to watch out for. While the 30-day squat challenge offers benefits, it's crucial to prevent injuries and get the best results. Warm up before squats to prepare muscles and joints. Maintain proper squatting form to prevent strain. Include rest days for muscle recovery. Listen to your body, stop if you experience pain. Stay hydrated before, during, and after workouts. This concludes today's video on the incredible benefits of doing 30 squats every day. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting, squats are a fantastic addition to your routine. Remember to listen to your body and consult a fitness professional if you have health concerns. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more health and fitness guides. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.